The success of Forex trading simply starts by you having a good idea of the Forex market and having a good strategy. You see, when you have a good strategy, indeed, you have begun the journey. In this video, I want you to stay calm and watch how I analyze the market, how I predict the market, and how I wait for the market to fall in place, and how I also place my trades, because I'm looking forward to taking a live trade on this. So make sure you stick around. In case if this is your first time on my channel, hit that little subscribe button there, turn on the notification bell. Look, that bell is very important. Most of you have actually subscribed and I'm grateful for that, but you did not turn the notification bell. So why not use that opportunity right now to turn the bell on? And also make sure to hit the like button if you find this video very helpful. Let's begin. Now, the first thing I do whenever I get into the chart is I go straight to DXY and check out the DXY to know the strength and the weakness of the dollar market. You know, I've taught you guys about the DXY, yeah? So according to this DXY right now, I can see price at resistance, and I can see clearly that it's indeed an uptrending market. So what does this tell me actually? It tells me that, okay, the market is a bullish market, but on the other hand, the dollar is actually on a resistance level. I'm expecting it to fall completely to retouch the line. Okay, so to retouch what? The trend line. So what does that tell you? Remember what I taught you guys about DXY. If you haven't watched my previous strategies on DXY, please, you need to watch it so you can understand clearly. If the DXY is falling, it simply means dollar is weak. All right. Therefore, any market I'm trading which I have USD to be a quote pair should be rising. So in other words, this is GBPUSD. So if I'm expecting DXY to fall down to that trend line on my previous charts, that simply means that on this chart right now where we have GBPUSD, what I should be expecting right now is nothing else but for this market to go bullish. Okay, now let me show you a simple illustration of how I want this market to go. And indeed, we're going to take time. If it's going to take me to pause this video, I will pause the video, because I would like to show you every single thing that I'm illustrating now and show you how it might likely play out in the future. Indeed, you have to understand that Forex is something we just analyze, use the analysis of the past to predict the future. So we might not be perfect, okay? But it is always good for you to have a vision, have an anticipation, analyze the market and have an expectation, okay? And then most times you will always find out that it will always play out. Okay, for instance, this is what we see here. We have an inverse head and shoulder. So you can see the shoulder, you can see the head, you can see another inverse. So what does this tell me? It tells me that the market is going to go bullish on GBPUSD. I remember what we saw on DXY, right? So right now I can see that price is about to do the normal thing, which is to go bullish. The bulls are trying to push up to the upside. So what I'm expecting is for the bulls to push up a bit and break out of this zone right here, okay, and then probably maybe give me a little retest, okay, and then the next thing I should be expecting is a strong push to the upside. Now there are some times that the market might not even give you a retest, but all the same we move as long as you give me some good signals, okay? So this is what I'm expecting: a breakout, a retest, and a push to the upside. Why am I anticipating a push to the upside? Because DXY is telling me that price is just coming from a fresh resistance going to the trend line, if you remember the charts I showed you before. Now what I'm going to do is to use my price alert app to set alarm for when I want to come into the market. If I should place a sell or a buy, so let me just put that. Okay, let me use the horizontal line. So all I'll do now is to copy the number 1.256. So I'm going to have to pause the video and wait for price to get to my anticipated level. And once the alarm calls me in, then we'll begin the real business. In the meantime, while we wait for price, hit that little subscribe button there, turn on the notification bell. Look, that bell is very important. Most of you have actually subscribed and I'm grateful for that, but you did not turn the notification bell. So why not use that opportunity right now to turn the bell on? Alright, so that's my alarm. And as you can see, GBPUSD has called me in. And exactly as predicted, price has broken out of the line, gone for a retest. So what I'm going to do now is to place that confidence buy. I'm going to have to add more positions. Let me place a few more positions. So like I told you guys that I'm going to have to take a live trade and based on this analysis. So now I need to set my stop loss, which is very, very important. Every trade you take, always set your stop loss. I think I would love to add more positions. Let me just add 2 more, and I think that should be enough for me. And let's see how it goes. So what I'm trying to teach you in this video is strategy, skill, and your psychology. So I'll pause this video and play it back in a few minutes and let us believe that it indeed goes as anticipated. Okay, so I just wanted to learn a few things. Learn the strategy I'm using, learn the confidence at which I'm placing my trades based on my facts or my confluences is very important. Okay, let's go back and check our charts and see how far we've gone. So indeed we are going in profit as anticipated. So my anticipation is to have at least $100 upward on this trade because I have a high target to the upside. So I'll still have to pause this video again and play it when we get more updates on this trade. Okay guys, we are still in the same business with high expectation to take profit on a very high side. I hope you guys are actually learning something. Alright, right from the analysis, how I make my analysis to have my confluences and place my trade, the confidence I'm using to place the trade. I hope you're really learning something from this, guys. If you're learning something, please smash the like button and use the comment section. At least use the comment section to encourage me by telling me what you're learning, and that will give me a sense of understanding that a whole lot of people whom I am teaching are actually grabbing knowledge from the contents that I make and give to them. Alright guys, so after a few hours, here is the progress. We have hit $100 and still counting for more profits. Yeah, so guys, let me know what you think. Use the comment section. Please make it active. Encourage me by keeping yourself engaged. Now on the DXY, you can see price indeed broke out of the line and even retested and continuously going down. So you can see when I make my analysis, I know what I'm anticipating. All right, and a whole lot of you have been asking me, team, VIP signal, this and that. Don't worry, I will begin VIP signal soon, but not yet now because I haven't actually made up my mind. But if you guys keep disturbing me, I will start it soon. So make sure you guys continue to practice, stay safe, and keep winning.